Friends, welcome to my English class academy. Now we are going to learn today concord of nouns, pronouns and possessive adjectives जिसे हम हिंदी में संज्ञा, सर्वनाम और कर्तावाचक विशेषणों की संधि कहते हैं. Earlier we have explained the rules of agreement of subject and verb. In addition to this, there are also some rules of agreement between noun, pronoun and possessive adjectives. We are explaining below these rules one by one for you all. So please listen and understand carefully. Rule number 1, first person pronoun. प्रथम व्यक्ति सर्वनाम. A. First person pronoun singular number. I takes, me, my, myself. B. First person plural. We takes our, us, ours and ourselves. Examples of first person pronoun. Here are examples. Example number 1, I shall do it myself. मैं इसे स्वयं करूंगा. Example number 2, I shall have my chance. मेरे पास मौका होगा. Example number 3, we shall do it ourselves. हम इसे स्वयं करेंगे. Example number 4, we shall have our chance. हमारे पास मौका होगा. So friends, here we have gone through the nouns, pronouns and possessive adjectives. जिसमें हमने ये सीखा, इससे पहले हमने विषय और क्रिया के समझौते के नियमों की व्याख्या की है. इनके अलावा संज्ञा, सर्वनाम और कर्तावाचक विशेषण के बीच समझौते के कुछ नियम भी है. इन नियमों के नीचे हम एक एक करके बता बता रहे हैं, जिसे आप समझने की कोशिश कीजिए और उसे अंग्रेजी सीखने में अपनाइए. So we now proceed to our next slide, slide number 3. In slide number 3, English lesson 2 part 5, rule 2, second person pronoun. दूसरा व्यक्ति सर्वनाम. Second person pronoun, you remains the same both in singular and plural numbers. It takes your, yourselves, yourself, yourselves. दूसरा व्यक्ति सर्वनाम आप एक वचन और बहुवचन दोनों संख्याओं के समान रहता है. यह आपका खुद को लेता है. Examples of second person pronoun are given here. Example number 1, you can do it yourself. Example number 2, you should do it your work. You should do your work rather. हमने आपके सुविधा के लिए जो अंग्रेजी वाक्य है उसी के हिंदी में ट्रांसलेशन आपके सुविधा के लिए और समझने के लिए दिया गया है. रूल 3, थर्ड पर्सन प्रोनाउन मैस्कुलाइन ऑब्लिक फेमिनाइन कॉमा सिंगुलर ऑब्लिक प्लूरल नंबर. रूल 3 में तीसरा व्यक्ति सर्वनाम जिसमें पुल्लिंग और स्त्रीलिंग एक वचन बहुवचन संख्या का अभ्यास करेंगे. Point number 1, third person singular number masculine gender takes he, him, his and himself. Point number 2, the third person singular number feminine gender takes she, her, herself and hers. Point number 3, noun of neuter number and most of the animals in the singular number takes it, its and itself. Point number 4, third person plural number both in masculine and feminine genders, all neuter nouns and all animals in plural number takes they, them, their, theirs, themselves. So friends, for your convenience and understanding, whatever English sentences are here, for those English sentences, we have given the Hindi translation one by one beside the each and every sentence or below the sentence so that you can go through Hindi version also and will be able to understand the English grammar here. So now we proceed to our next slide, slide number 4. English lesson 2 part 6, slide 4. Examples of the third person pronoun. Here are 1 to 5 examples are given for third person pronoun. Number 1, he will do his homework himself. Number 2, she will do her homework herself. Number 3, those boys will do their work themselves. Number 4, those girls will do their work themselves. Number 5, this book is mine. I lent it to you some time back. For friends, for your understanding and convenience, we have given Hindi translation under the each and every sentence so that you can correlate those English sentence with Hindi sentence and you will be able to understand exact and correct English language here. So now we proceed to our next slide, slide number 5. Friends, from today we are going to start a single slide which covers the English to Hindi single word translation. Fro- From today onwards, we shall learn by heart some English words to increase our vocabulary. In turn, we shall be able to make our English language strong and full of confidence. Words in English language and translations are given in front of each and every English word. I, I का मतलब मैं, your, your का मतलब तुम्हारा, तुम्हारी, तुम्हारे, she का मतलब वह, my, my का मतलब मेरे और मेरा, yourself का मतलब आप खुद, her का मतलब उसकी, me का मतलब मैं, he का मतलब वह, herself वह स्वयं, mine मेरा, him उसे, they का मतलब वे, you का मतलब आप, himself वह स्वयं, them उन्हें, themselves वे खुद। तो मित्रों, हर रोज हम एक सिंगल स्लाइड में इंग्लिश टू हिंदी ट्रांसलेशन वर्ड्स सीखेंगे जिससे आपको इंग्लिश सीखने में काफ़ी सुविधा होंगी और आप जल्द से जल्द इंग्लिश बोलना, लिखना और पढ़ना सीखेंगे। तो मैं समझता हूँ ये आपके लिए काफ़ी महत्वपूर्ण और हेल्पफुल रहेगा। तो आप इसे ज़रूर पढ़ते जाइए और ध्यान में रखिए। So friends, we move to our next slide, slide number 6.